Hi, second grade scholars. I just wanted to take a few minutes to let you know how you can access Epic Books. Epic Books is a great website for you if you would like to do some extra reading in your spare time. And it's totally free and it is available to you during the school day hours. So you will have access basically from about 7 o'clock in the morning until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you're ever finding yourself done early with your assignments, you can come in here and read for free. So the way that you'll get the website is through your LMS. If we assign it to you as an independent activity, you can find it there. Or in live class, if we are doing an activity where you will have time to read on your own, we will send you the link. It's basically just getepic.com/students, and when you get there, the first time you sign in, you'll need to enter the class code. Now this is specific for the ELA teacher that you have. So if you have Mrs. Noggle, myself, then I will give you a class code, and if you have Mrs. Mudd, you will have a different class code. So make sure you look for the class code in the lesson in the LMS, or ask your ELA teacher if you forget. You'll type in your class code and click Go. And once you click Go, it will take you to our class page. And then you'll see a whole bunch of little icons with names under them. You are going to find your name and click on that little icon, and then it will take you to your reading page. This is where you can find all of the books that they have available to you. Now, what's really cool about Epic is they have books you can search at the top by author, title, or keyword. You can also change it by reading level. You can watch videos, and you can also listen to audiobooks. So there are a whole bunch of different books here for you to explore and read. So let's say I want to read the book Scaredy Squirrel. If I click on Scaredy Squirrel, it's going to take me to, sometimes it might take me directly to the book, and sometimes it might take me to a series of books. This one happens to be a series of books. So I will click on one of these books, and it will open the book up, and this will give you a little kind of a preview of what it might be about, as well as the age range and the level, and then if it has a quiz or not. Now this is where you'll flip through the pages and read. If it's an audio book, it will have the audio built right into it so you can listen to the book. Once you get to the end of the book, sometimes the books have quizzes. It's up to you if you want to take the quiz. Sometimes your teacher might tell you that you have to take the quiz, and then you can click Play Quiz Game and it will pop up right on your screen. If you click Finish Book, that will track that you read that book. So because everybody has their own account, it will just keep tabs of how many books you're reading and what kinds of books you are reading. So this is how you can use Epic, and if you have any other questions, please contact your ELA teachers.